Today you guys just gonna spend the day with me. I just finished take my shower. Let's talk about this elf lip oil. So I got this elf lip oil from Shoppers Drug Mart. No, not Shoppers Drug Mart, from Old Navy. I don't know if you guys know that Old Navy also sell elf products. Very moisturizing, give your lip a little bit of shine, so I like that. And it smells really good as well. So if you guys haven't tried this as yet and you can get your hands on it, please do. Whew, I'm so thirsty. I got this planner from Indigo and it's super cute. So that's the inside of the planner. You know, you write your name. You also get some stickers. What I like about it is you get words of encouragement. In the September it says the meaning of life is to give life meaning. I already write down some of the stuff that I need to get done, and yeah, I finally found the bedroom slippers that I've been looking for. Every time I go to Winners or Marshalls, they are always sold out, always. The brand is by Mooncake. It's both for indoor and outdoors, which I'm not gonna wear that outdoors. They only had this color, the white. The reason why I got it, because inside is gray, so I didn't mind, and I got it for $16.99. So I'm dressed and I'm gonna head out. Today there is a mall that's open and it's basically one of the biggest malls in Montreal. It's called the Royal Mall. I'm gonna go and check it out. I also gonna go to the grocery store after I finish from the mall because I need to make dinner. So I'm gonna see you guys when I get to the mall. There's a Zara store over there, and obviously I'm gonna go into Zara. It is so busy inside here, there's so much people. So we're gonna go into Zara and see what they got. It looks very big in there, so let me show you guys. We're in the Zara change room and the lights keep going on and off. It's so annoying. I picked up some items that I'm going to try on because they look so cute. I'm going to see how it fits on my body, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks when I try it on. I am back home. The mall was so busy. Some of the stores are not open as yet. I went to the grocery just to pick up something quick so I can make dinner. I'm just gonna make some hamburgers today. So I'm gonna head to the kitchen. Oh. They didn't have brioche bread, so I had to end up getting this plain hamburger bread. So I'm not too happy about that, but we're gonna make it work. Got some mango nectar. I'm gonna try the Vitamalt coconut and hibiscus, cause anything coconut, give it to me. Got some ground beef, some bacon, lettuce. Did I pick up tomato? Oh my god. I'm not going back outside. And my almond milk. Oh, and some smoked cheese. Tastes good. Woo. Truth is untied. Options are few. I'm trying to pray.
Can't even sit in peace. Cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah. But that you call and you talk to a girl. I'll share my world with you. If you don't waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean honestly. Open your eyes and see if you go who's giving you what you need. Waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. It's no price you can. If you got time to waste it with me. And I've been worried about them. Girl, you wanted I say. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean honestly. Open your eyes and see. If you gonna waste your time with me, waste your time with me. You can have all.
I am finished making my burger and it looks so good. I try to make a design on the plate. Let me take a bite. I'm gonna close off this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.